This dashboard tracks the July 1, 2026 mainnet launch of the Robinhood chain. In its first 7 days, the network processed 17 million transactions across 350,000 distinct wallets, generating $3.1 billion in decentralized exchange volume. That immediate liquidity density placed the network fifth among all blockchains globally, trailing only Solana and BNB chain. To handle this immediate influx of retail capital, the development team did not attempt to engineer a novel consensus mechanism from scratch. Instead, they deployed a highly optimized custom Layer 2 execution environment built directly on top of the Ethereum mainnet. Achieving institutional scale adoption on a public network requires specific architectural compromises. By bridging a strictly regulated brokerage to a decentralized protocol, the developers had to balance permissionless settlement with rigorous compliance. This side-by-side flow illustrates the exact divergence. A standard decentralized EVM architecture relies on chaotic mempool gas auctions and raw ERC20 tokens. Robinhood's Layer 2 replaces those mechanics with a controlled design, relying on linear sequencing and specialized token standards. This strict structural control provides three engineering solutions. It neutralizes transaction extraction, secures institutional yield routing, and solves the composability issues of tokenizing real-world equities. Deconstructing this exact architecture provides a complete blueprint for how traditional capital markets are migrating to run on public blockchain infrastructure. The network stack uses Arbitrum Orbit for computation, maintaining data availability by posting compressed batches to Ethereum using EIP 4844 blobs. This creates massive settlement arbitrage. Launch week generated $843,000 in execution fees, paying only $1,600 to Ethereum for data anchoring. This table outlines the network's extreme speed. Offloading computation achieves 100 millisecond block times and sub-second soft confirmations. These are strictly sequencer guaranteed. True settlement occurs when the L2 batch locks orders on the Ethereum L1 inbox, progressing to irreversible L1 finality in 13 minutes. In standard public networks, transaction ordering relies on priority fees. Users pay higher gas prices to leapfrog pending operations, creating an environment where block space goes to the highest bidder. Robinhood Sequencer operates differently, utilizing a strict first-come, first-served model. Here, transaction ordering is determined solely by the exact arrival timestamp. By removing the ability to bid for block position, the sequencer neutralizes structural front-running and maximal extractable value exploitation. This establishes a highly predictable execution environment, required to support automated, high-frequency commerce. Within days of launch, over 2,100 AI agents utilized the trading model context protocol to execute complex strategies across the network. To bridge the gap for human retail traders, the network integrates native account abstraction. This allows users to bypass manual seed phrase setups and execute gasless transactions directly through the Robinhood app. Combining strict timestamp sequencing with account abstraction hides the friction of Web3 entirely, providing users with a familiar The protocol allows users to capture roughly 7% APY on idle balances without manually interacting with a smart contract. This flowchart tracks capital. A retail user deposits USDG into a self-custody wallet, settling on Layer 2. Capital is routed into Stakehouse financial vaults operating on Morpho Markets infrastructure. Institutional borrowers pay the yield, posting liquid collateral like Spark, Athena, or Maple. To mitigate the inherent risks of decentralized lending, the supply chain is protected against smart contract bugs through dedicated insurance policies brokered by Lloyd's of London and Realm. The application serves as an invisible routing layer, taking retail stablecoins and deploying them directly into over-collateralized institutional credit pools. Yield generation is secondary to the flagship financial product, tokenized U.S. equities and ETFs that trade continuously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This legal matrix outlines the assets. They are strictly tokenized debt securities issued by Robinhood Assets in Jersey, granting no direct beneficial ownership or legal voting rights in the underlying corporations. To protect holders, every token in circulation is backed one-to-one by physical shares held by a licensed U.S. custodian. If the Jersey issuer becomes insolvent, an independent security agent is mandated to liquidate custodial shares and distribute cash to token holders. Establishing the legal framework is only half the problem. Traditional rebasing tokens, which alter global supply balances to reflect cash dividends, create severe technical obstacles in decentralized finance. Altering total supply variables dynamically breaks the strict mathematical invariance of automated market makers like Uniswap and triggers massive database errors across external portfolio indexers. To bypass this infrastructure breakage, Robinhood co-authored a custom token standard, the ERC-8056 Scaled UI Amount Extension. The mathematical core of ERC-8056 relies on locking the primary variable. The raw on-chain token balance remains perfectly static, ensuring that AMM liquidity pools do not break when corporate actions occur. This formula demonstrates how that is achieved. It applies a dynamic UI multiplier, a fixed-point parameter scaled to 18 decimals, which is used to calculate the actual underlying share equivalent units for the user interface. Consider the timeline of a corporate cash dividend. When a company issues a payout, physical cash is automatically reinvested to purchase additional shares by the off-chain custodian. Simultaneously, the smart contract proportionally increases the UI multiplier. The raw balance remains static, but the output increases to reflect new value. This yields a specific price calculation. Reinvested dividends increases the multiplier, so the asset drifts above the underlying stock price, tracking total returns. This updated fair value calculation is continuously calculated and then integrated back into the wider network via Chainlink Oracle data streams. The ERC-8056 formula mathematically insulates decentralized trading protocols from the chaotic volatility of traditional corporate actions. While the Layer 2 architecture and specialized token standards solve the user experience friction of DeFi, the entire system relies on heavy structural limitations. The most severe limitation is regulatory gating. To satisfy the strict compliance posture of the SEC, the flagship stock token ecosystem is geographically prohibited for retail users in the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada. On a technical level, access and transaction ordering are entirely dependent on a single, centralized sequencer, exposing the network to corporate outage risks and potential censorship vectors. Furthermore, holding synthetic debt obligations issued out of Jersey carries distinct structural counterparty risks that holding actual, legally recognized shareholder equity does not. Finally, composing these specific assets into decentralized lending protocols introduces massive systemic vulnerability, as any disruption or manipulation of the external Chainlink oracles during corporate actions could trigger widespread liquidations. This ecosystem trades true decentralization for operational security. It operates as a highly regulated, centralized broker deploying its ledger onto a public blockchain rail. Despite its geographic exclusions, the infrastructure successfully aggregates massive capital density. It connects public market makers like Uniswap, proprietary trading venues like Rialto, and autonomous agent hubs like Virtual's protocol, routing them all into a unified settlement layer. The synthesis of highly optimized optimistic rollups, native account abstraction, and advanced ERC token standards proves that traditional compliance checks can coexist with on-chain composability. The Robinhood chain provides the technical proof of concept for how legacy capital markets will eventually operate, with sub-second execution, total custody clarity, and continuous global liquidity.